Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IS. So guys, the much awaited daily answer writing program is now available for PSIR. Let me give you a brief about this program first. So guys, in this program we will be going to provide you one question daily. Now suppose if the question is posted on 10 a.m. of Monday, you need to submit before 10 a.m. of Tuesday, that is within 24 hours, right? And we will be providing you the evaluated copy within 24 to 48 hours, right? So it's a simple procedure. Let me give you a features of this program. In this program we will be providing one question daily except Sundays, right? Also the topics which will be covering are previously asked in UPSC. Also these topics are curated by experts, so they have high chances that it can be asked in the future too, right? Also we will be providing you the personalized evaluation which will help you to enrich your answer and will give you an idea like how to write a perfect answer. Also the evaluation will be provided within 24 to 48 hours after your submission. So it's a very simple thing. So in the initial month we are going to cover the paper 1 of PSIR. Here you can see the topics which we are going to cover in the first month, and in the subsequent month we will be covering the paper 2 also, and this cycle will goes on till your exam, right? So this way we are going to cover your whole syllabus, right? And this will help you to gain some extra marks. Apart from that guys, we will be providing you model answers. Here you can see the model answer that we are going to provide you hint. Apart from that, all the relevant material which are needed to enrich your answer writing. Also this will give you a brief about the structure of how to write a perfect answer, right? So guys, the link of the Telegram channel is in the description box. You can check it out. Also the link of how to subscribe this program is in the description box. So thank you.